Right, so in the last video, all you saw was this constructor bit at the top. So I won't go through all that again, but that's essentially used for making the characters. Now, a method is within the class, you can have functions or procedures. They're known as methods if they're part of a class. So here, I've just trying to show you a method. So I've got a damage method. So what this is, you can call it and you'll pass it a character, or you'll call it based on a character, and then you'll pass it a number. And what it'll do, it will set the character's health to be whatever it was before minus the number you've passed it. And then if the character's health is below or equal to 0, then we set the character's alive status. Remember, it's true by default. We'll set it to false. So what we've got here is we've got a hero that's being created, and we've got a villain that's being created, and we're passing it all the attributes for the constructor, but we'll look at the constructor video if you're confused about that. And then what we'll do is print a little story. So we'll say once upon a time the hero had, and then look at what the hero's health is. So you just do hero dot, and then we can reference name, role, power, health, alive, bag. The hero then got attacked by the villain. So what we do here is we do hero damage, and we're going to use this method on the hero. So hero becomes self. Okay, so it's running it on the hero. The hero damage, and then we're going to pass it a number. Well, the number we're passing it is the villain's power. So the villain had a power of 20. Okay, so if we do hero dot damage and then pass it 20, what we'll do is we'll go into here, but we're doing it on the hero. So self is the hero. So hero dot health minus equal 20. So the hero's health was 100. So it's going to be 80. If the hero's health is less than or equal to 0, it isn't, then hero dot alive would equal false, but it doesn't. So when we run this, because it then says the hero now only has, and you can see, look, once upon a time the hero had 100 health. He then got attacked by a villain. The hero now only has 80. So that's an example of a method. You can make methods for all different things. They're just like functions and procedures. What it's getting your head around is make sure you start it with self when you've got any parameters. Even if you've got none, if you had no parameters, you still do that. And then here you can reference self.health, self.health, self.alive. You can reference all these sort of properties, but use self, because then whatever character you pass it becomes these selves. So because I'm doing hero dot damage, this is basically like saying hero, 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 hero. All right, so they're methods. So methods are functions or procedures that are part of a class.